So who is California's fastest growing security company? Hey, this is Security Allstar. If you would please like and subscribe, and I'll tell you something pretty interesting today. So for those of you that don't know, we are a DOJ FBI subcontractor here in Tennessee. Pretty much anyone coming into the state of Tennessee or Middle Tennessee who is looking for a job, getting licensing, whether it's real estate or being an attorney or coming here being a doctor, they come through our office to get licensed. So we get to talk to a lot of interesting people coming right out of California. And the thing that we've noticed over the last couple of years is repetitive stories talking about the problems in California. And I didn't understand several years ago why the largest base of our customers were in two states. One was Texas and one was California. I understand California better now because the regulatory issues going on in the state of California requiring people to spend an inordinate amount of money to get security systems. The monitoring is high, the regulations are high, the installation is high, the cost of labor in California is astronomical. And so we've heard over and over and over again the same thing. Hey, I had appointments scheduled for, some company to get things fixed. And after missing 4 appointments, I finally decided I'm going to look around and see who I can find. So we get calls, people saying, hey, do you support this system? Do you support this Qualys system? Do you support this Analogic system? The answer has been yes. So we've taken over a number of systems from other large companies simply because Californians can't get serviced. The other anomaly that we see there is because of the new regulations, those things like Proposition 65 or whatever they're called, I'll put it down below. Those things are causing an increased amount of cost for goods going into the state of California. And so a lot of companies have simply decided we're not going to do business in California anymore. We're seeing that happen more and more. And I understand people not wanting to leave California. We need to be a little less quick to judge Californians because they have extended family there. They have jobs they've had for decades. Some people are about to retire. We just talked with a retired police officer who left LA County, moved here a couple months ago. He was ecstatic to get out. But he stayed there about 4 years longer than he wanted to. He said, I knew I could stick it out until I got retired. And so those are the kind of stories that we hear regularly. But I think the reason that we are California's fastest growing security company are a couple of reasons. One is we do not have term contracts. We've never had term contracts in the 20 years that we have been in business. Now, for the longest time, we did still ship firearms and ammunition to California. However, because of the new imposed regulations and the uncertainty within the court system, we just finally decided, hey, we'll support customers in California with security systems because we can continue to do that without having to worry about some type of lawsuit from California. However, one of the main reasons, of course, is we don't offer term contracts. Other is our monitoring costs per month are about half the cost of some of the large companies. If you have video and police, fire, and medical services with us, it's about $36 a month. The other is we empower the customer to have the dealer code. So if you want to add, remove, delete, fix, move from one location, one household to another, we empower the customers to be able to call us. We put it in test mode or we assist with that. So you can literally, if you move from San Bernardino to Santa Barbara, California, we help you with that. So please, if you will, like and subscribe. We want to support Californians. We understand you have a mess. I've seen a lot of the videos coming out of places like Oakland, California and LA. I was in LA a couple of years ago where the homeless population is just, it's off the charts. We understand you need security. We understand you need the ability to get the police there if they'll show up. The other is you need to be able to get out of bed at 2 o'clock in the morning if something happens at your home, your residence, your business. So I understand now why we are probably the fastest growing security company in California. Californians, hang in there. It's time to change the laws. Stand up, vote, and get rid of Governor Newsom. Hey, have a great day. Thanks.